how to turn on or turn off limit IP address tracking on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and tap on Cellular. Then tap on Cellular Data Options. And then tap on Limit IP Address Tracking. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And it said that limit IP address tracking by hiding your IP address from known trackers in Mail and Safari. And that's it. These settings, by default, it is switch to on. Then now you can go back to settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.